You might be wondering why you should choose Getprintx as your preferred dropshipping supplier. This is like asking why should I choose the best. Hello everybody, welcome to Getprintx. At Getprintx, we offer transparent pricing for all our merchants, so there are no hidden costs such as handling charges. The products we offer are charged at very minimum base cost, and on top of that the printing charges are also charged at flat rates. No per square inch charges, no minimums. Just premium quality at unbeatable rates. Unlike other print on demand suppliers, you can just start with ordering one single product. Getprintx is the smart choice for print on demand because we dispatch your product in 24 to 48 hours, which is the fastest in the print on demand industry. Other print on demand suppliers may take up to 48 to 72 hours only for dispatch. We preferably dispatch your parcels through air couriers. We offer one-time flat fee for lifetime branding of neck labels so that you don't have to pay again and again for branding. By using Getprintx app, you can integrate with the leading e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce and more. With our advanced technology, you can process bulk orders in just single click. Whether it is one order or whether it is 1000 orders, you can just process every order in one single click without having to waste your time and energy. If you face any issues in your dropshipping journey, Getprintx offers top-tier support to its merchants. If you need any guidance, you can reach out to us via phone call, email, or live chat as well. On top of that, just to manage your cash flow, we offer fast COD remittance. If your customer is paying COD, we don't take 7 to 8 days to credit money to your bank account, and once we receive COD amount from your customer, the amount is instantly sent to your Getprintx wallet and you can withdraw it within 2 to 3 days only. Unlike other POD suppliers, we don't take 6 to 7 days. You can also sell on different marketplaces like Amazon using Getprintx. Getprintx supports their merchant in Amazon dropshipping as well, so you can be ahead of your competition. In this way, Getprintx has many unique offerings which sets us apart from the POD market and makes the number one choice for merchants to start their print on demand journey. So what are you waiting for? Start your print on demand journey today with Getprintx.